Hello everyone, welcome back to Financial Hub. Today I'm going to guide you on how to send money from Remitly money transfer account. For that, make sure you already have the application on your device and you are logged in. Here at the home page at the bottom right, you can see the option Manage. You can tap over there. At the account details section at the first, you can see the option Sending to which country. Tap over there. Here you can choose the country that you want the send to money to. For this video, we will go for Bangladesh. Now go back to your home page. Simply tap on Get Started. At this section, at first, you need to enter the amount of money that you want to send to them. They will also make sure that you see the exchange rate of the money of the country that you are transferring your money to. Now here you need to enter the amount of money that you are willing to send. If you have any offer code, then you can tap on the option Apply an offer code and apply the code over there. For this video, you can see new customer offer applied, which is 0 fees on this transfer. Now tap on Continue. Here you need to select the delivery method. How would you like the money to be delivered? Options are mobile money, bank deposit or cash pickup. For this video, we will go for bank deposit. You can now see the options of bank that they have in the country that you have selected. Let's go for the first one. Here now you need to enter the recipient's bank details, that is account number. After that, the routing number. This code identifies your bank and branch. If you don't know your routing number, you can select routing number by branch location. After you are done entering the bank details, you can simply tap on Continue. Here now you need to write down the recipient's first name and last name. Make sure that this information should match the name on your recipient's bank account. After you are done entering the credentials, simply tap on Continue. You will be now lead to this step where they will be asking you, would you like us to send your recipient with transfer updates? If yes, then you can simply enter the recipient's mobile number. If no, then you can simply tap on Skip. After these procedures, the money will be transferred to their account successfully. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.